Hazel. Waffles, come on. Come on, girls. Look what I have. Come on. Come on, girls. Hey, you came out last night. Come on, girls. Ah, here she comes. See how it's completely empty up there by the shed. Come on, girls. Come on, girls. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah, good girl. It was easier today.